morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. It's Sunday morning, which means I have already gone done my grocery shopping for the week, for the most part, because it's veggie week. Veggies do keep pretty well if they're stored properly, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to replace an item or two as the week moves on. So, I'll get into more Veggie Week in a second. Last night, I prepared one of my favorites, one of Robin's favorites, and Robin came over for dinner last night. My chili mac, the fastest meal in the West. Super low prep, and basically it's a 10 to 12 minute preparation, cook. It's that fast. I'll get the recipe up for you. It's more guidelines. You know me. Today, to kick off Veggie Week, I'm doing Saucy Ginger Sesame Noodles with Caramelized Mushrooms. Let's take a look to see what I've got going on. First, the hardware. Of course, the Champion is out. I think the Champion is going to be used quite a bit this week. And Dutch oven to cook some noodles. First, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to bypass that. This is the cornucopia of veggies I picked up this morning from my local Bel Air. So tonight, for tonight's meal, picked up, I've had these for a while. These are some rice noodles that I got from, I believe, Super X. So we got a red bell pepper, some shredded carrots, some snap peas, of course, mushrooms. I'm using Baby Bella's, part of the caramelized mushrooms. Some green onion. These are looking a little sad, but there's some savables in there. And there's garlic, of course, and ginger. This is probably the last day or the next to last day I'll be using tube ginger because I have fresh ginger over on the prep table. We have some sesame oil, some soy sauce, rice vinegar. This is unseasoned. Honey, a little bit of garlic chili sauce, and sesame seeds, which I will toast up. So there's these goodies for tonight's meal. And over here, I splurged a little bit and got some pre-made udon noodles. Of course, you got to have some more garlic. Baby bok choy. You can see a lot of baby bok choy this week. Zucchini, carrots, Roma tomatoes, more baby bellas, some shiitake, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers. Look at all that fresh ginger. There's ginger in 6 out of 7 of the meals this week. Some yellow onions and more green onion. So yeah, this week's menu, if you haven't seen it already, let me read this to you. Again, tonight is Saucy Ginger Sesame Noodles with Caramelized Mushrooms. Tomorrow I'm going East Indian, or Indian, a masoor dal, also known as red lentils curry. The next day is Szechuan Blaze Noodles. And day after that, which is Wednesday, Mongolian vegetable stir fry. Not sure what makes it Mongolian, to be quite honest. And Thursday is Chinese style baby bok choy, hence a lot of the baby bok choy over here, with mushroom sauce. And Friday is a vegetable stir fry with noodles. And Saturday is saucy vegetable stir fry. As you can see, there's a theme here. A lot of Asian. I will play with these recipes as the week goes on. Most of them are sauce-based. It's very typical for like Chinese. So yeah, that's what I've got going on this week. It's Veggie Week. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.